Hello, this is Cherry Apple, and it's probably gonna be my last song because I don't know. We'll just see. Yeah. You all think that I'm white and try to act black, but you don't know your fucking facts. Because I do what the fuck I wanna do. Don't make me try to be anything I'm not. Even though you just talk shit on the spot. When I get in yo face, yo bitch, I squeals. Just like the fucking tires on my car. Cause I am a fucking monster. I don't care what you do at the doctor's. I walk up in this bitch and you shut up. Because you fucking talk shit and I nut up. On your bitch, yeah, I got her thong. What you gonna do, bitch? Is something wrong? I don't care what the fuck you have to say. Because I'm gonna spit like this every day. Up in the streets or out in my house. I don't care what the fuck you do, you're a mouse. I am the trap, yeah, you just got caught. Talking shit just like you walk the walk. But when I get in your motherfucking face, you act just like that bitch ass Dace. Everybody tries to act like they cool, but they just try to fucking drool at school. I don't care what the fuck they have to say, because I'm not worried about their bitch ass anyway. Even though I walk around like a boss, I just fuck yo bitch like Jack Frost. Do her in the night, even in the daytime. I don't give a fuck what you say, I'm cray time. And I do this creatively. Freestyle raps, that's what I'm made to be. I'm not trying to look for no credit, but people see me on the streets like hell yeah. And that's all I gotta say. Yo bitch is fucking me yesterday. Even though we walk around town trying to do my homework, man, you got a frown. Every time I talk, you shut up. You listen to what I say because you're a truck. Everybody runs on over you. You are the pavement and I am on you. Every fucking time you try to talk shit, I don't care what the fuck you do, you're a snitch. Everybody knows that your bitch ass sucks. Even though we walk around like we fuck. I don't know what the hell you're saying. I'm just fucking slaying bitches like I'm paying my fucking bills every goddamn day. I do what I'm supposed to and I do it every day. Now that's just all I got to say. Bitch, don't fuck with me, you'll get paid tomorrow or whenever the fuck I want. Because you suck the dick like a fucking truck. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Real talk, bitch, get your ass fucking moving. Yeah.